Hi guys, welcome back to Style with Substance and welcome to today's video. I'm filming a Zara winter fashion haul, so I'm going to be trying on lots of pieces that I've picked up from their current season online, and I'll be letting you know my thoughts on those. If you are new here and you are not subscribed, please click the red button so that you get a notification every time I upload a video, and ring the bell so that that notification pops up on your phone or your computer screen or wherever it is you watch my videos. So let's get straight into the video. So the first box, which I'm going to get into, this is one of three, is right here. Now it's actually got a few items in it. So the first item is this gorgeous wool jumper. I mean, this is almost like cashmere, it's so soft. Let me check the tag on this. This is nylon, apparently. I got it in a size medium because they were out of smalls, and it's just a white v-neck, really soft, fluffy jumper. So I'm gonna try this on for you and let you know what I think of it. Well, if ever there were a winter essential, it would absolutely be this jumper. It's in this gorgeous frost white color, and it is, I can't tell you how soft this is. It's got these lovely cuffs. It's fluffy, it's warm, it's v-neck. Oh! Love this. It sits really nicely on your jeans. You can kind of put it over your belt or like tuck it in slightly at the front. So you're kind of showing enough chest here, but you're covered up on the arms. It's like winter, but make it sexy. So we love this as a first option. So the next item comes packaged up like so. And I've been on the hunt for a pair of black leather thigh-high boots. So I picked these up, and they are from the Join Life collection. I got them in a size, UK size 6, and they were pretty pricey at £150 or 149. But I'm just gonna try them on and see how I feel about them. So I've got an outfit that I would probably have in mind to style these with, and it all kind of came as part of the packages I've got. So let's see how they fit. They go quite high up the thigh from what I've seen online, and they've also got these nice zips down the sides to help you. So let's squeeze into these. It's like a geometric sort of square heel, and of course a pointy toe, which I love. Okay, so here are my thoughts on these boots. For £150, they bunch up quite a bit around the ankle area, which is not what you would expect if you've paid over £100 for a pair of boots. I love the heel, but I'll be honest, they're not that comfortable, and they're just very wrinkled. I don't know, maybe I got a bad pair, but this is not what I expected. So these are gonna be a no from me, but I will style them up with the outfit that I had in mind just to show you guys what I was thinking. I was thinking I would pair the jumper with this black and white furred, oh sorry, cream fur Aviator jacket. Now I have an Aviator from Zara, which I got probably 2 seasons ago. The fur was all black and it was a bit more fitted than this one, so I'm not 100% on this. I thought I'd get like a different alternative, but I think for the price that this one is, knowing that I could probably find some cheaper ones on Pretty Little Thing and other such websites, I wouldn't say that this one is 100% worth it. I got it in a size small, and even still it's quite big. I don't like my coats to be this oversized, so if I could size down I would, but I'm pretty sure this was the smallest size available when I ordered. But this is the kind of look I was thinking, you know, with the boots, just kind of give it a very sort of biker feel. Yeah, it's a shame that the vision didn't quite come to life as I wanted it to, but otherwise this is a nice jacket if you kind of like the big oversized look. Just thought I'd come up close and give you a proper look at the jacket. It's also got pockets here just in case. I quite like the fact that the pockets are down, you know, it's easier to sort of keep your hands warm, and they're also lined as well, which my other Aviator jacket pockets are not, so there's a good point to note. So all of these pieces will be linked in the description box below. So this next piece I absolutely love. It is this long black and white houndstooth coat, and the print on this Absolutely gorgeous. It's meant to be quite oversized, so I've actually got it in a size extra small. It was £99. I will say this is one for layering. You want to have all your thick knits and layers underneath this, because it's not that warm. It's quite thin, but because it's so thin, you know, you can like cinch it in, you can leave it open, you can do so much with it. The pockets are nice and big, it's got a lovely huge collar on it, and this print is absolutely stunning. I would absolutely rock it with an outfit like this on a winter's day, because you know, these colours just kind of scream winter to me. So big fan of this one. So the next piece is this cozier than cozy oversized black roll neck, turtleneck, polo neck, whatever you want to call it. I'd say this is more of a roll neck because it's quite slouchy and it's quite, you know, dressed down. It's quite big as well. I'll pull the sleeves down just to give you an idea of the size. So again, really good for layering. You can get all of your vests and sort of more tighter knitwear under here. And then I always love the casual tuck, and then you can kind of bring this collar around here. This is definitely one for a hair up look, so I'd probably, you know, either opt for a sort of messy pony, or we could do the hair, the faux bob. So all you do is you just tuck your hair into the knit itself, and then you kind of pretend you've got short hair. So I picked this up in a size small and it was $29.99, and I think they also had this in like a greyish colour as well. Now I got this because I thought it would be really good for layering with the next item. And the item in question is this beautiful khaki green teddy coat. Now I am a teddy coat virgin, so you're gonna have to bear with me while I try this one on. Let's see how it wears. What size did I get this in actually? Ooh, there's no size and there's no, oh, here we go. Size extra small, and it was $89.99. So again, quite pricey, but I can feel the quality is there already, I'll be honest. This is probably one that you want to wear maybe under something not as huge as this, but just to give you an idea. And what you could probably also do if you wanted to is roll up the sleeves. It's very warm, it's very cozy. Let me just come up close so you can kind of really get a feel for the material. It's very thick as well. Silk lining on the inside, but there's a little bit of that wool there. And then that's what it looks like on the back. This is this outfit. Let me know what you guys think. I probably wouldn't have styled it like this having known. I might have styled it with that white jumper, so I'll give you that as an alternative just to give you a look at it, and then I will show you the last piece. Okay, so already I can see that this is much more of the sort of way that I would style this. So I would kind of go for a light colour on the inside, so white, grey, whatever you like. Maybe even a black v-neck, but just something that isn't so busy up here, because the coat itself is already quite involved. And then yeah, just kind of rock it like this. Maybe I do hair to one side, because with the teddy coat you lose the sort of clean lines in winter. Well, I have to say that because it's not something that I would be used to wearing, but you can absolutely button it up and sort of get that real cozy feel. So the final item is this really simple, it's kind of like a mole coloured dress, long sleeve. In fact, it's got a thumb hole, something that is very handy for the winter, just in case you kind of want your whole hand to be warm. So that's kind of a nice feature. It isn't flattering in the slightest, so it really does need some heavy duty styling. So what I've done is I've whacked it on with some black ankle boots, which I just got from H&M, and I thought it could be styled with the black leather jacket. And then to really bring the look together, I just grabbed my blanket scarf from ASOS, which I've had for God knows how many years now. This outfit is a classic example of why layering works. So you can either kind of just drape the scarf down by the shoulders like so, or how I would normally style this is wrap it around like this, and you've got yourself a ready to go winter fit. I'd probably even go as far as to add a belt here, but there's kind of a lot of detail going on with the jacket itself. But that is the final outfit. So I will have linked all of these items down below, but if you want more styling tips like this, then you want to head over to my Instagram where I style up loads of different outfits. You'll probably see my feed scrolling along here. And otherwise, make sure you're subscribed for more fashion hauls, especially winter fashion as it's getting so cold now. And give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!